Hello everyone. Last lecture you will see all definition of this act. In that you will see the definition of pharmacy, Ayurvedic Siddha or Unani drug, what is a drug, what is a cosmetics, then who is the government analyst, who is the drug inspector, then what is a manufacturer, then patent or proprietary medicine, misbranded drugs, adulterated drug, spurious drug, misbranded cosmetic, adulterated cosmetic, spurious cosmetic, what is a loan licenses, what is a retail sale, what is a sale by way of wholesale dealing, then definition of leukophoresis, plasmapheresis, platelet pheresis, standard of quality, what is a qualified person. These are the all definitions of this act. Now today I am going to start the new and very important part in our subject pharmaceutical jurisprudence. You heard about the word schedule. Schedule to arrange for something to happen or to be done with a particular time. Now, in pharmaceutical jurisprudence, the schedule to the act and schedule to the rule are different. Now, starting to the schedule to the act, in that first schedule and second schedule. The first schedule, it prescribes the list of books specified in Ayurvedic Siddha and Unani system of medicine. And then, what are the books in the Ayurvedic formulation? Note down Ayurvedic Formulary of India, Part 1, then Charak Samhita, Sushrut Samhita, Bhava Prakasha, Ark Prakasha, Ayurveda Sangraha. These are the books for Ayurvedic formulation. Then next Siddha formulation books. Then Siddha Formulary of India Part 1. Then Aga. Then next Nagamukhi, Bhagar, Pulipani. These are the books for Siddha formulation. Then Unani, in that National Formulary of Unani Medicine, then Carbadin Kabir, then Carbadin Quadri, Carbadin Azam. These are the books for Unani formulation. So, first schedule, it prescribes the list of books specified in Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani system of medicine. Now, second schedule, it is a prescribe the standards to the compile with by the imported drug and by the drugs manufactured for sale, sold, stock or exhibit for sale or distribute. This is the second schedule. Now next point, schedule to the rule. Now it is very important parts in our schedule. Schedule to the rules. Schedule A, it prescribes different form required under the Drug and Cosmetic Act for making the application to grant or issue of licenses, sending memorandum, etc. Remember that Schedule A for application, word A for application or Schedule A for application to grant or issue of license, sending memorandum. Then next Schedule B, it prescribes the fees to the charge for test or analysis of sample of a drug by Central Drug Laboratory and government analysts. Very important for Schedule B, it prescribes the fees, all fees to be charged for test or analysis of sample. The sample which will be research sample or a drug sample for the identification in Central Drug Laboratory. The Schedule B, it prescribes the fees to be charged or for the test. Now, Schedule C and C1. Very IMP. Schedule C and C1, it prescribes the list of biological and other special product. What is a biological product? These are biological product are injectable product and other special product. You know about biological product, vaccine sera. Then Schedule B, D. What is the Schedule D? It prescribes classes of drug which are exempted from the certain provision applicable to the import of a drug. Uh, you uh, you know about the classes of drug which will be exempted from the certain provision applicable to be imported. this import of drug it will be formed by license. Then schedule E, it prescribe list of poisonous substance omitted. This E schedule it will be omitted in 22/6/1982. Now schedule E1, it prescribe list of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani poisonous substance. All poisonous substance in Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani system it will be prescribed in schedule E and E1. Then next schedule F, it prescribe provision applicable to the blood bank requirement and licensing to the process of blood component. The blood bank requirement it will be prescribed in schedule F. Then schedule F1, it prescribe provision applicable to the production of bacterial as well as viral vaccine, sera and diagnostic antigen. Various vaccine sera it will be prescribed in schedule F1. Then schedule F2, it prescribes standard for surgical dressing. In surgical dressing, various parts of surgical dressing, cloth, bandage are in that surgical dressing. Then schedule F, it prescribes standard for the umbilical tap. Then schedule F and F prescribe standard for ophthalmic preparation. It is injected parenteral ophthalmic formulation. Then schedule to the schedule G, in that it prescribe list of drugs which are the required to be taken only under the supervision of registered medical practitioner RMP. It label with direction schedule G drug. Warning, it is dangerous to take this preparation except under the supervision of registered medical practitioner. Very important schedule G, it prescribes the list of drug which will be required to the taken only under supervision of registered medical practitioner. Then schedule H, it also list of drug which will be sold by retail only on the prescription of the registered medical practitioner. It also label with direction schedule H drug and warning to be sold by retail only on the prescription of registered medical practitioner. Very important schedule G and schedule H. Then schedule I, it prescribe calculation of proportion of poisonous in certain cases. It will be omitted in 22/6/1982. Then schedule J, it prescribe the list of elements of or disease for which drug may not claim to the prevent or cure disease. What are the disease? They are not a cure by this drug. In that AIDS, AIDS, then angina pectoris, diabetes, cancer, blindness, fairness, improvement of height in children or adult, or obesity. These are the disease which will be not prevented by drug. So schedule J, it prescribe the list of element or disease for which drug not be claimed to prevent or cure the disease. Now schedule K, it prescribe classes of drug which are exempted from certain provision applicable to the manufacturing of a drug. It provide the applicable to the manufacturing of a drug. Exempted classes exempted for the certain provision applicable to the manufacturing of a drug. Then schedule L, it also omitted schedule, it prescribe the list of drug to be sold prescription only. Then schedule M, very important schedule M, it prescribe good manufacturing practice GMP and requirement of factory premises, plant, equipment, etc. for manufacturing of a drug. Then in that schedule M1, it prescribe requirement of factory premises, plant, equipment, etc. for manufacturing of homeopathic drug. Then schedule M2, it prescribe requirement of factory premises, plant, equipment, etc. for manufacturing of cosmetic. Then schedule M, it prescribe the requirement of factory premises, plant, equipment, etc. manufacturing of medical devices. These are the schedule M, good manufacturing practices, requirement of factory premises, plant, equipment, etc. for manufacturing of a drug. In that, M1 for homeopathic drug, M2 for cosmetic, and M3 for medical device. Then Schedule N, it prescribe minimum equipment to the process of pharmacy. The minimum requirement it will be needed for process of by pharmacy. These are prescribed in Schedule N. This schedule for today's lecture. Now remaining schedule it will be see in next lecture. Today you will see the schedules. In that schedule to the act, in that first schedule, second schedule, then schedule to the rule, in that schedule A for application or grant to the license sending memorandum. Then schedule B for fees to the charge for test or analysis. Then schedule C and C1 for biological and other special product. Then schedule D for classes exempted from certain provision applicable to the import of drug. Then schedule E, it is omitted. Then schedule E1, it is prescribed list of Ayurvedic, Siddha or Unani poisonous substances. Schedule F for blood bank requirement. Schedule F1 for application provided of bacterial as well as viral vaccine. F2 for surgical dressing. F3 for umbilical tap. FF for ophthalmic preparation. Schedule G and H, it is a very important. Schedule G for it prescribed list of drugs which are required to be taken only under the supervision of registered medical practitioner. H for prescribed drug which are to be sold retail only and prescription of registered medical practitioner. Schedule I omitted. Schedule J, it not a claim to prevent a disease. Then Schedule K, prescribed classes of drug which are exempted from certain provision applicable to manufacturing of drug. Schedule L omitted. Schedule M, very important, good manufacturing practice. In that Schedule M1, M2, M3, M1 for homeopathic drug, M2 for cosmetic, M3 for manufacturing or medical devices. And Schedule N, it prescribe minimum equipment to be process of pharmacy. Thank you.